Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create free Apple ID on your Apple device and iPad in iOS 27. So guys, if you want to create free Apple ID on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings on your device, and after this you have to simply go to sign in Apple ID from here if there is no Apple ID already signed in on your Apple device. And if there is any Apple ID signed in, then you can go to Apple ID, and from here you can sign out this Apple ID and you can create a new one from this settings. So guys, once you sign out your Apple ID, then you will get the option to create a new Apple ID for free. So guys, there is another option as well. You have to simply go to any browser and search here for create Apple ID, and then go to this website iCloud.com and then tap on sign in, and from here tap on create your Apple account, and from here you can see you can easily enter all of your details from here to create new Apple ID for free. So guys, you can see this. You have to simply give her your first name, then last name, then select your country or region, and then date of birth, and after this you have to create a password and then give your phone number, and at the end you can get the code to verify your phone number from here, and you can create Apple ID from here very easily. So guys, give all this information in these boxes and then tap on continue, and after this your Apple ID will be created for free. So guys, in this way you can also create free Apple IDs on your Apple devices. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.